Hello, assalamu alaikum friends. How are you? We are back in our journey to learn modern Python for AI. We had covered in the last lesson the AND operator, the AND logic boolean operator, which can help us to execute the program only when all of the conditions are satisfied. But we don't want in all the cases all of the conditions to be satisfied and then only our program to be executed. Sometimes we want to give it options. Sometimes we want to say that either of the conditions are satisfied, you may proceed with the results. In that case, our helper is OR tool. It's a elegantly powerful tool which we can use to make our lives easier. So for example, if I make this condition or even if I make I am fast false, I can see that this statement of I have won the 100-meter race will be executed. Why? Because I have put a OR there. Either am healthy is true or either am fast is true. In both of the situations, the program will execute. I can add as much as OR in this conditional statement. And wherever the OR is placed, that conditions, the strictness of proceeding the logic will get loosened up. And whenever there is an AND there, the strictness of proceeding the logic will be very much hard and complicated. So that is the OR operator which you can use to make the condition, the strictness of your condition on the basis of which the program will execute a level easier, facilitative, and opened. Thank you very much. We will meet in the next lesson with another logical operator called NOT.